of water. Please bless the people of this universe with good health and prosperity. I think I'm a little late today for my prayers.
Hair is not good. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, dad is came. Amma sister, did you pack everything? Please do it fast. If I go late, I'll miss the bus.
I don't know why these youngsters are always lazy in their work. They don't maintain their punctuality. Very bad, very bad. Good morning.
Daddy, please down your head. What about this fees matter?
My dear child, you want to go today itself?
I have to go.
Actually, I'm expecting some money today. That is the reason I asked you. I will give it the moment I get it.
Daddy, exam fees and the hostel fees, join it.
I know, dear. Everything will be alright. You need not worry about anything.
Amma sister.
Yeah, coming. Let me keep this also inside. I just prepared for you very hardly. Don't forget, okay?
Oh my god, you are parceled in the paper.
Why don't you give it in a different cover? Hey, Ram. I'm coming. Wait. What, Ram, did you get?
How come, sir? We simply went all the way till there.
What should I do?
Coconuts have no value now.
There is a reason for everything. When we want to buy something, it is expensive. Finally, what did he tell?
Amma
Any
sister, I'll
small
start
amount?
now.
He didn't give even $100.
Oh my god, why you are bothering about that? Please give it to me by next week. Listen, please don't think anything. I'll go, Dad. Bye, brother.
All right, yeah.
My dear, don't worry about the fees. Please concentrate on your studies alone. Buddy, there is an improvement in everything except our life alone. When will we improve?
You please simply don't think about all that, sir. There is an appropriate time for everything.
I don't think so. How is it possible?
Tomorrow, I have an exam for PSC. I was studying till 4 o'clock in the morning.
Sneezing sound is hearing in my home, you know. Why are you lying in the morning itself?
Why will I lie to you early in the morning? If I've ever said some truth, it's only to you, my dear sweetheart.
Okay. If you are lying, it should match, you know that?
I don't know all that. But when are you coming back next?
Next week. Okay, I have to go, otherwise I'll miss the bus.
Next week. Listen. Wait.
See you later.
Oh no. Hey!
The last time when I was fishing, no. Look here, I got such a big sea fish. And that too from this canal.
From this canal?
Then what?
The market guys are not able to catch the fish. How come you are getting a fish from here?
be as experienced as me.
Hey, is this the fish that you're talking about? Buddy, will you please keep quiet? He's smart enough to get one. Where is our friend?
What happened? In the morning itself you are shouting? There also someone is shouting.
He is slightly shamed, right?
You actually saw our body. When are you coming back?
Next week.
And one thing, Karthi, my master who taught me is still there in that college or what?
You go, dear. I will tell the answer for that.
The master who taught you, na, is not teaching in a college and all.
It's at Sri Krishna Vilas UPS school.
Oh, so he has not gone to college so
No,
far.
master might have gone to college and all. This fellow only has not gone to any college.
Hey, give me some paste, man.
Oh, you buy your paste with your own money and then brush.
Okay, you give me some paste, man.
Just give him some, man.
Hey, I'll buy you tomorrow and
I
give you,
really
man.
don't believe you at all. Now I want to see what you're going to do.
I cannot leave you like that, nah. What? Oh my God, my paste! I will. Really feeling fresh, man. Yeah, really. I am also brushing.
I feel something is biting. Yeah. Something is
Hey,
biting, man.
Chandra,
Oh my
where
God.
are you all going this morning? Are you going for Arak or what? There is a procession. We are going for that now.
Procession, ah?
That's what I also heard.
What will you get? 300 and other expense.
Heard it, man. 300 and other expense.
Did you hear? 300 and other expenses.
That's really good.
Oh my God, what is this now?
My God. It's really hot. My dear, get me some water to drink.
Amo is not here.
Where is she gone?
She'll come a little late.
Oh. What happened to the matter?
Got it. But not as much as we expected.
Approximately, what is the amount?
$2,000. They say the price of coconut has come down.
I don't know whether this amount will be okay. Today my trip was very bad.
Is it?
If I was born in a low caste, maybe I would have been benefited. The government is not bothered about our caste. God has to give a solution. Higher caste is always a burden.
This dried drumsticks, 1 kg is 90 rupees it seems.
Sit down, sit down. Please hand it over to Hari. Please tell him to hand it over to our child at the earliest. We have not paid the fees. It's already too late. She'll be very upset because of this. I wanted to pay some more amount, but what to do? I tried my level best.
Don't worry about that, sir. All that is in my hand.
What about traveling expenses?
About that and all, I will look after. I will send him tomorrow early morning, sir.
Okay. That's good.
Hey, what is this expense of 5,000? Hey, I didn't see that.
Okay, you just check it.
Only the account is there, not cash, huh?
Have you check it now?
Now, who is this drunkard?
What is it? Or processions and for other strikes?
shit.
Please contact us.
What to do?
Good. Men per head $500 and women per head $600. Oh my God!
guys start to worry in the morning.
Here, man.
This is actually a good idea. Who actually told
My dear sir, please don't dance around here and spoil our day today. Please, I'm just requesting you. Yeah, keep this. Now you just go from here.
That's a good idea. Because you are actually respecting me and I will also respect you
correct.
all the time and want to you. Okay. I'm
Horrible
going.
fellow. Please take care that no vehicle runs over you. Oh, there he goes. Oh God, please help him reach home.
One headache is over, now the next.
So this is the final statement.
550 plus 450. Don't you know maths? What is your problem? Just give it to me, man.
Hey bro, some big lottery has come for us.
He looks like a big show-off, man.
Good morning,
yes, welcome.
everybody.
Good morning.
Who is this
Come.
now? The real politician, huh?
Don't try to pull my leg, buddy. Actually, Coming 5th, there is a meeting at the secretariat. We want about 500 people to attend that.
500 people.
Buddy, we can definitely arrange people, but per person you have to give 500 rupees.
500 is too much.
500 is not too much. They have to stand in the hot sun, na?
I will come to a deal. 300 rupees. 5th morning, 10 a.m. All should be there.
Okay, then just keep the advance and go.
What? You require advance too? State meeting is also coming very soon.
Keep the state meeting and all aside. First, return all the flags that were taken during the last strike. Give them back first. Is that not? We know where the flag has gone also.
What, buddy? Even you get something, right? Just give little from that. That's it.
Okay, I'll do the needful.
Enough. Don't eat it up fully. Come on, give it up.
Oh, okay, buddy. Please keep up the word. 5th morning, 10 a.m. We are meeting. Okay?
Done deal.
Okay. See you.
Now another two gentlemen are coming.
Yeah, welcome.
Next man, 5th.
What your marriage about?
No, meeting.
Right.
We'll need at least 150 people. Let them all be the fat ones. There's going to be a lot of police also.
Okay.
For lathi charge you to pay extra money and some eggs and milk as well.
Yeah.
Okay, brother, which party are you in now?
I've changed my party recently.
I too want to earn something, right?
Okay, do you need ladies for picketing or what?
Yeah, around 50 girls. I think Mohana can arrange for that.
Oh, that lady. We have given her a word last time.
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. see you on
Okay. Bye. Oh, because of this Kudumbasri, nowadays we don't get ladies for work here.
Hey guys,
Yeah, what is
there
it?
is a problem, man.
What?
We have given all the programs on a single day, man.
Where?
Oh my god. The government has decided to keep under control all epidemic and plague related illnesses. Dengue fever and rat fever has to be totally wiped out, and the government is going to take full responsibility of the process, says the health minister. If it is difficult to recognize the rats with this disease, complex experiments would be tried on Adivasi community, say senior scientists. And this has been seriously condemned by the court also.
What are you talking? This world is becoming bad to us. Even if they are backward caste, they are also human beings.
Oh, who's this? Hello, who is this beggar?
Beggar your father!
This is our madam's husband.
Hey, you bloody donkey! You only have to say my name, not my wife's entire address. I also meant you guys.
That is right.
She is a little too beautiful. Many people in this village are feeling jealous of us being together.
What do you want now?
Feeling very cold. Nice
Okay,
cough
okay.
also. Just give me one ciggy.
So you want a smoke?
This fellow always plays a prank on us. Now let us actually play a prank on him.
ahead, man.
My dear bro, do you have fever?
I do have, dear.
What about cough and
That
cold?
also is there, dear. The phlegm that you spit have got red color. What?
Sometimes when I check, I do see that color.
Are you able to urinate?
It doesn't go like that only when I urinate.
Do you have severe body pain?
It is there. Then you need not
It's
doubt. It's
confirmed.
that only. What is it, dear? Actually, where do you sleep? With my wife.
Oh, then his wife must have also got it.
What?
Okay, are there rats at home?
3 to 4 rats and a big rat.
Oh, then the matter is what we expected.
What is it?
Rat fever.
Look, my son. My grandson should definitely go to the city.
Mother, we've made him study. Now let him go for work also, no? In our family, we've been farming for all these years. So
Keep it in
at
the car.
least let him go for work and earn some money. Only then he'll know what the word is. Come on, man. Tell your granny something, no?
What can I say? After his birth, I have never departed from him. We have a lot of properties. How many people are working in our farm?
Her talk was still better.
Look, my son, can't you bring the soapware company here?
Which company, mother?
Grandma, that's not soapware. That's software.
Why can't you set one here? Grandson, every now and then you must come and see me.
Sure. One
Hey,
second.
Hey,
One second.
Shiva, where are you going?
Meena, why are you standing up? You don't like that I'm going to Chennai?
No, nothing like that. But still, I'm scared thinking of something, you know?
Scared? What are you saying?
I'm also a very well-educated person. There are many girls in software companies. If I get any news regarding that, I know I will kill you. You know that?
I'll be enjoying my life and you will witness that.
If something like that happens, see what I'll do.
I'll marry you and I'll marry another girl.
What did you say? What did you say? Tell me. What is this? What did you say? Tell me that.
Yeah, Ma, I'm coming. Can I take leave? Bye.
What, Shiva?
Nothing, Auntie. Grandma?
Yes.
I'll take leave.
Be very careful when you
Yeah,
travel.
sure.
Okay,
Bye.
right?
Bye,
Okay,
Mom.
be
Don't worry,
careful.
yeah?
Take care.
Come on,
Okay, Dad.
you're getting
bye.
late.
Okay, bye.
All right, all right.
Success! Success! Damini! Oh, my dear Damini! Just come here, no?
Yes, dear.
I'm very happy today.
Oh.
My bank manager friend has got transferred here after coming from Rajasthan. We have everything here and we are happy. Just that this Murugesan is staying on rent here, but he's not giving us rent. That is okay. Now you go and bring me some coffee. I'm very happy.
I'll bring.
I think Murugesan is settled in his life. Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Is Murugesan here?
Murugesan, where are you coming from?
I'll tell you later. Can you please call Murugesan?
To call him, that's okay.
By the way, who are you? Are you rented this place?
On rent? That Murugesan is staying on rent here, but he's not giving me any rent now.
No. I'm asking about the owner, Murugesan.
Oh, so you have come to the wrong address. You should check this side or that side.
Oh, extremely sorry.
It's alright.
Is this Velachery?
Yes, this is Velacheri.
Is this Venkatachalam Street?
Yes, this is Venkatachalam Street.
This is door number 14?
Yes, this is number 14.
Then why the hell are you blabbering? You are a tenant or you are talking ill about him? I asked you to call owner Murugesan and you are talking nonsense.
House owner? That guy is not given me rent for 3 months. How can he become the owner of this house? I am the house owner, man. I have taken debts for so many people. I have mortgaged everything that I have, and I have taken so much of pains and made this house,
you are
man.
the contractor who built this house.
Oh
you
my
call
God.
owner Murugesan. Why
You
you are
think I am
talking
the
to me?
contractor? I'll kill you, man. I'll kill you. Just go around and ask for Bhajanlal State. The whole world will be scared.
Hey, you be Bhajanlal or Gujanlal. Call owner Murugesan and don't eat my brain early in the
Damini,
morning.
Just come here. No, come here. Early in the morning, this guy
Hey,
is saying
what
I'm not
happened?
the house owner. Just kick him out of this
Cool,
place,
cool.
please.
Be quiet.
That bugger Murugesan has not paid the rent for 3 months. I'm going to
Don't
kick him out
get
of
angry.
this
Who
place.
are you?
Nothing, madam. I asked him to call house owner Murugesan, but he
You
is
saw,
blabbering. Is he slightly disturbed?
Oh,
You're calling me a mad guy? If you call me mad, I'm going to kick you out of this place. You think I'm mad?
Uncle, please stop it. Hey, when did you come
Hey,
here?
I'll talk to you later. Why did you rent a place for a person like this? Ask him to go out. Chuck him
Come
out,
on, man. Send me out of this house. Come on. You
No,
bloody
no, no, no.
Murugesan. You send me out of this
Please,
house.
please, cool, uncle, please, uncle.
Why you are answering him? Ask him to go out.
Hey, you shut up or else
Hey,
I'll
this
finish
old
you.
man is talking too much.
Now
Then
stop talking.
I'll cross my limits.
Hey, you tell me. Am I staying on rent here? You tell me. Am I staying on rent here?
No, uncle. It is your house.
Hey, she's my wife. Don't touch her. Now you tell me the truth.
You're talking
Who's
to
staying
this
here?
fat fellow.
Shut
Ask him
up. He is the owner of this house.
Then why did you say you are the owner?
All the nonsense. First tell me, why did you come here now?
I will talk to him. You be calm.
Okay, just come in.
Okay.
Stop. Even if you talk slowly, I can hear. Nobody will enter my house.
Yeah, I have already entered.
Uncle,
Daddy,
Get
please
angry
stop
and
it.
kick you. You will go and fall in Rajasthan. You understand?
uncle, please listen to me.
Yeah, tell me, man.
He's a landlord's son.
So what?
He has imported liquor in a suitcase.
Is it? Yeah, you look like a landlord, son. I got confused.
Okay, good. Okay.
It's okay. Let all your luggage be here. I'll take care of it.
Extremely sorry. Even I called you a mad person. No, what do you say about I said you're talking like a mad person.
Like a madman.
Yeah,
You didn't call me a madman.
don't waste
See,
time.
see,
Move,
see,
move,
he
move.
didn't call me a madman.
Hey, what's this?
He didn't tell that I'm mad.
Yeah.
He's just joking. We'll meet in the evening.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway,
Come to party
Take
tonight.
care of the bag.
I'll keep it very carefully.
There's lots, is it? Huh? What are you standing here for? Go inside, man.
Shiva, I told you I'm in a group of billionaires. You have come in search of a millionaire. He is the owner of this house. I'm just a tenant. As soon as he stepped in, you have started making pranks. I should be very careful with you. Now tell me, you are a millionaire's son. Lot of people are working at your house. Why have you come in search of a job? That too to my place?
just for a time pass, buddy.
Very good timing pass.
Forget about that. Where is your dad? What is he doing now?
He should be sitting under a tree in some platform.
Oh, is he a road contractor?
He is an astrologer now. He is predicting others' future with a small parrot.
Oh, then he's continuing your family job.
Why are you talking about him right now? I mean, I'm happy. Come, let's go.
Okay, see, this is yours.
Give it.
You take me wherever you want, but please arrange a good job for me.
All the companies do not have any job, and you want work in a good company. I don't know what your luck is.
Hey, Vinod! Why are you coming in wrong route?
No, actually, I was coming to
Can't
see
you see me coming?
I'm sorry. Did you get hurt?
It's
Shall we go to
okay, leave it.
hospital?
Hey, why you are drinking like this? Isn't there any side dish to go with this?
You want side dish. Right now, I'll order for it. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la.
Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la.
Ooh la 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 la.
Ooh la la la.
Ooh la la
Ooh la la la.
Ooh la la. Is it for me? My sweet darling.
Hey, you're already in love with his owner's daughter?
Hey, a bachelor becomes a married man only this way.
Come,
Why are you dragging me like
keep
this?
quiet. Grandma, it's been 1 week since he's gone out of town and no phone call at all. I want to talk to him, but my phone is in my father's room. That's why I'm thinking how to contact him.
You speak in my phone.
My grandma is calling me. While I booze, I'll blabber a lot. You answer sensibly.
Hello?
Hey, who are you, you idiot?
Hey girl, talk decently. Give respect, take respect.
How did you get hold of his phone?
He gave it to me, I have it now.
Where is he now?
Oh, Shiva. Oh, no, darling, please be quiet. He just returned from his work. I've switched on the geyser at the bathroom. Why are you still here? Go and take bath. Shiva, darling, you're so sweet.
Grandma, there's a girl talking on the phone. I'm feeling so scared now.
You give that phone to me.
Hey Shiva, he's got lots of money, but for one glass he comes in search of us. Only with people like this we can grow in our lives. Come on, uncle.
Hello, sir. Sit down.
I know you'd have been drinking now. That's why when I came, make a bed for me.
This is for you,
My
uncle.
stuff got over. I forgot to buy.
Drink your
Yes.
heart fill, uncle.
Enough.
drink.
What are you doing? Oh, enough.
Okay.
Oh, you made
That
this
is for the
very
next
last
round.
drink.
Okay, have it.
You should not mix
Soda.
too much of soda. Then it will not be nice. You'll get sober very fast.
Very
Yeah.
bad, very bad.
Huh? Side dish from my house. How did it reach here?
What is this, uncle? You take the stuff from here. We got the side dish from your house. Is it not fair? It is just a small exchange, uncle. Drink, uncle.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Uncle, take this soda. Have some more of stuff. Huh? Hello?
Hey, good for nothing fellow. Who are you?
Your grandmother is online screaming.
Oh, okay.
Talk to her.
Hello? Grandma, this is Shiva.
Who was that?
The person who was talking to Meena is Maradachalam's son, Murugesan.
Is he still there? 30 years back, he was the fellow who robbed the temple ornaments.
Same culprit.
You don't mingle with such people. Give the phone to that fellow.
Hey, here.
Hey, who are you?
Dear uncle, there is an earthquake in Gujarat, it
What?
seems. They want to talk to you.
Hello. Who is speaking?
Why are you blabbering in the phone? Hey, stupid idiot! This is me, you know.
I am not a lady. I'm a man. I'm not a man.
You fool idiot! Speak properly.
No, it's not me.
Switch off the phone. Don't speak to anyone. Have you got any brains? Idiot! Stupid! Nonsense!
Hi, Kalpana.
Huh? Come,
Why you
Vinod.
called me urgently?
Uncle is not okay with the Delhi climate. He is not feeling well, so I'm planning to stay with him for 4 to 5 days. Is that okay?
Kalpana,
Huh?
convey my regards to him.
Sure. And then,
Give me the bag.
please keep this key with you.
Oh,
Take care of the home, okay?
okay. Shall we go?
Yeah, we leave.
Is it your ticket confirmed?
Yes.
Then come.
And I forgot to ask you one thing. Is Amarnath uncle is okay?
Yeah, that is fine. Kalpana,
Huh?
call me, huh?
Sure, Vinod.
Okay,
I'm
bye.
leaving. Bye.
Get in. Be careful. Bye.
Bye. Stop.
Take care.
It's getting late. Come.
Here there are so many rowdies. Be careful, dear.
Okay, mummy.
We are going to the shop to buy only
Yeah.
clothes. We'll buy a lot of them and come.
Bless me, Daddy.
Yeah. Be happy, my daughter. We are going out to buy clothes. She's falling on her feet as if she's going to her husband's house.
She loves me so much.
Live long, my daughter.
Be safe, Daddy.
I'll come.
My darling.
Come in.
It's been a very long time. He went out during last summer, and after this only this summer he has gone out. Right, let us spend this time usefully. Come on.
No, that's only after marriage.
Darling, your father will not get us married. If only something happens between us, your father will get us married.
No, my dad has told me to be safe.
I have earned a mask to be safe, so you don't worry, nothing is going to happen.
I told my daughter to lock the house. The door is open. Has she forgotten it?
How is that the doors are open?
Oh my god. What is happening in my house?
Oh my god!
You bloody
Am I
bugger.
dreaming?
You don't even have a job and you spoiled my daughter's life. I gave you my house on rent and what are you doing now? You're behind my daughter.
It is all only in good intention. Only if something happens between us, you will get us married. So
Hey, shut up your bloody mouth, man. I told you to lock the door and you open the door and let this bugger in. Listen, man, I made you my driver and you're taking my daughter for a ride.
Oh, no, uncle. This happened without our knowledge and...
Hello. How can you say that this happened without your knowledge, man? She's my daughter. Her whole life is gone. You tell me.
I will marry her, uncle.
If she marries you, only her life will be lost. You don't even have salary to make her happy. Do you even know what car I drive? Tell me.
Uncle, the fuel for your car comes from our oil wells, do you know?
What are you trying to say?
Uncle, the fuel for your car comes from only our oil well. Do you know that?
Oh, he's a good son-in-law.
Then tell me, why did you stay at my house for rent for 3 months and not give me rent?
No, uncle. There is a small misunderstanding between me and my father. So I left the house angrily. If I say I'm a poor man, I'll create sympathy in your daughter's heart so that she loves me. That was my technique, uncle.
Whatever it is, wherever my daughter lives, she has to be happy. The astrologer are already told that she will get married to a very rich man. Do you know that?
My dear uncle, in few days' time, I will make her my wife. I will legally lead her out of this house, you see. Till then, wait.
For that, you have to become a rich man very fast and not keep touching her like this again and again.
I'll bring my father here and prove that I'm a millionaire. See you, uncle.
Okay, do it fast.
Nisha. Welcome.
Oh, wow. The house is so beautiful. Very nice, Vinod.
Thank you.
Do you live here?
No. This is my guest house.
Oh. Vinod, I have missed you so very much, you know.
Even I too missed you.
I'm really very happy, Vinod.
Hey, why are you changing? Fix in one channel.
Meenu, our uncle wants to see some dance numbers. So can you please change the channel so that he can also enjoy?
Hi friends, there is an episode coming up regarding Valentine's Day on Sunday evening at 6 p.m. This episode is all about the victory of love. Many people come to the city in search of employment. But whether they get employment or not,
Shiva.
they definitely find love. The person you're viewing now is Shiva, a software engineer. Do you want to know who his lady love is?
Sis, please come fast. They're showing Shiva on TV.
She's also
Shiva,
a software
I'm coming.
engineer in
Come
his
and see
office.
Shiva.
Where is my grandson?
Do you want to know how their love started and when they're getting married? Do you want to know all this? Not only this couple but many other couples will be participating in this episode. Don't forget to view this episode on Sunday evening at 6 p.m.
Is this our Shiva? Che, he's bloody roaming with some other girl.
Oh no, I know about him very well. He wouldn't have done such things.
That is why I told his father not to send him. Now you see, he has destroyed all our prestige here. When he comes to know about this, I don't know what he'll do. When I told him, he never listened to me.
We will wait till brother comes. Then let us decide.
This moment he should come from there. What should I tell to bring him back? You don't worry. Tell him that I am very serious. Mother-in-law.
Let your uncle come from his place, Meena. We'll ask him to inquire him. Look here, Meena. I feel like you're assuming things on your own. Please don't cry. Don't cry.
Yeah, tell me, brother.
Hi sir, did you watch the TV news?
What is so special?
Your son became very famous.
Hello, sir. What your son did is very bad, no?
Uncle, Shiva need not stay in Chennai. Let's call him back home immediately.
What you're saying is also right. I'll call him back to the village.
What, brother? What decision are you going to take now? Tell me.
I know what to do. I'll take care of it. Can you please keep the phone?
Pick him up slowly. Nobody should know. He's been actually playing the fool with us for a while. Slowly, slowly, take him. Put him back.
Oh God! What is going on? Who are you people? Why are you taking him? Anyone is there? Please help! Why are you taking him? Don't take him! Anyone is there? Please help! I don't know to whom I have to go and say this. Oh God! Anyone, please help me! Yeah, take care. Carefully. Step down slowly.
What, buddy? Both of you here together?
Heard that the doctor is not well. Just came to meet her.
Come. Slowly. Yeah. Step carefully, okay? Otherwise it will slip. Till here we have come. We'll just go to that temple and go.
Going to the temple is all fine, but playing around when you see men, you should stop that.
What did I do?
In your age, if you take care, it's good for you.
What happened to me now?
There is a problem from my end, right?
Now you understood, no? Okay, go. Not that way. This way. Come on.
Come.
Slowly. Come slowly, okay? If you slip here, no? I can't lift you. I have to ask someone to lift you. Huh? What a surprise. You both are coming combinedly? Yeah, actually I just want to go to temple. Oh, really? Yeah, for children's sake. Oh, it's a good thing. Is there any good news? No, nothing is like that. Good news is for him only.
Oh, yeah, it's special for me. You can see everything which is special on me. Right,
okay,
dear?
take care. I'll leave then. Okay, you come. She's asking about good news. I don't know what for you're fit for. I only know about my pain, you know. For how many days I was anxiously waiting for children. Never I will get. Definitely I won't.
My dear, you just be patient. It's not because I don't try.
What the hell you're saying? Look here, don't just make my mouth to open in front of temple,
oh my
okay?
God, just forgive us. Oh, you, my God, youngsters are coming. Hey, you go in front. You stand in front.
Why are you just hiding like this? Come, friend.
How much is it?
It is 100 rupees. Nowadays, the rate has increased a lot.
What he meant is what happened in his hand.
Why you're asking about that, hey brother? He was sleeping outside after eating. 4-5 members came and just picked him up. That is all I know.
That's
Is it
true,
not?
that's true.
Yeah.
Do you have any previous enmity with someone?
Come on, let us
Come.
go. Don't put fuel into petrol.
What you saying
No, I
about?
mean not fuel and petrol into fire. We have other things to do, right?
Huh? Say this face. See, if you just make my mouth to open, now that's all.
The way you're looking at us, it seems like we have done some mistake. Ma'am.
What, brother?
You stand there. You should actually take care of your health very nicely, okay? Take care of everything. You just keep moving. Go. Come, let's go, dear. Hey, you move from here.
What, Ram? Did you get the medicine?
Yeah, I got it. After roaming how many places?
Okay,
It's
okay.
very expensive actually.
Yeah. Actually, it is unnecessary. This time BP has increased. Next time it will be for something else.
Doctor asked you to take medicines regularly. Have it.
Here, keep these medicines inside.
Doctors will always give a reason. Am I right, Ram?
Yeah, right. Then can I push off? My son and daughter has come.
That's nice. Then please leave soon.
Okay.
Come. Have a pleasant trip. Take care of your child properly. try to visit lot of temples.
Sure, sure.
Both pray very well.
Okay.
Okay. Driver, please drive the car slowly. It's nothing urgent.
Shall we start, Father?
Okay. My God. Lucky fellow. It is not important that you should read theory books about acting. Practical, that's important. For example, romance, courage, sympathy, astonishment, comedy. There should be different body language for different purpose. Shocking, fearing, anger. These points should be noted very carefully. Are you able to understand? Then go, do your practice.
Okay, Master.
Radha. My dear Radha.
Yeah.
Give me my medicine.
Yeah, coming.
My leg has started paining.
Take this.
Where is our son?
He's there inside now. He's eating.
That is very important for him.
Don't always abuse him, please.
Wonderful son. Without earning even a penny, he's giving expenses for his father. I'm seeing for the first time. Whenever I'm asking, he's always eating, eating and eating. Hi, my dear son. Eat. Eat very well. Come on. Take some more.
Enough.
Have a little more curry.
Enough. Dad, I have a question.
What?
In our house, if we have unused items, what do we do?
We'll put that in the dustbin.
Right or not? That is why I didn't want to throw it in the garbage and I took it to the bank for pledging it.
I'll give you one.
Oh God, why are you getting tensed and making your BP high?
You always have a misunderstanding, Dad. When they ask about the owner of the property, whose name will I say rather than yours?
What he's saying is also correct only.
You have brains, mother.
Yeah, son is always right. Don't make me talk. I will tell something else. Then you'll feel bad.
Now if I wait here, it's not going to be right.
Not required, not required. I will go from here.
Sure. Now don't struggle and gasp. You
Please
take this also. This will help
you're
you.
going, okay? Oh my God.
To speak about prohibition of alcohol, the apt person is our beloved, the great person. Now he is going to speak a few words to us.
My humble greetings to all of you. To the people of my city, whom I see almost every day. I don't have anything formally to speak, so I thought I will avoid it. Let me come to the important matter straight away. That's better. Among the youngsters of today, consumption of liquor is really affecting their life completely. To react against this, we should definitely think about it. It is already late now. After growing the children with great difficulty, giving them very good education in school, parents expecting very good things from their own children. When those children have these kinds of habits, parents become really upset because of that. You all know about that without me telling. Both drugs and alcohol. Both should be banned from the society completely. And for this, all of us should combine together and see to that we should get a peaceful society. All of us should do this. Actually, I want to talk more. I'm not able. Sorry. My greetings to all.
I think this is the Panchayat office here. Good. Looks like a cowshed. Let's see if I get some job here. They said there was some quotation written somewhere here. God knows where. Oh, is there an exam happening here or what? Where is the quotation? In this village, for cleaning of the canal, a security deposit is actually welcome from contractors who are willing. What is this depositive? What the hell is that now? Check it inside.
Oh, all strange people are sitting here, huh? What is this D positive, D positive? Oh, you don't know that or what? No, people get job here. This Baldi might know. Sir, what is this D positive, sir? Hey, you are not ashamed to ask these sort of questions or what? You should learn to be a little gentleman. If you don't know, then why are you shouting? I think I'll ask here. Sir, what is this D positive, sir?
You're not able to understand? You're not from the city? We don't hide anything from the people. When the Lord comes, we give everyone. If you have any doubt, you can go and ask the secretary.
Lord?
Yeah. Please go and ask him.
I'm going. This is the right government office. Is this the secretary I am asked to talk to? Madam.
Yeah, understood. Don't you hear what he said? If you are ability, bring your Aadhaar card and link with that. If Lord comes, we will surely give
Now
you.
I understood everything. Oh, here comes my sir. Oh, sir, master. One sec. Don't. Wait, master. I don't have break. I don't have break. I don't have break. Please. Sir, I'm not driving you to ask money, sir. I have got a genuine doubt, sir.
I didn't have break only. I thought of coming this way. In the middle of that, you
Oh
have
my
a doubt.
God.
Whatever it is, even after growing up so much, you have come to me only to ask a doubt, right? That is called a good student. Okay, what is your doubt? You ask me.
Master, what is this D positive? What is it?
What should I say? What is this? Come. This A positive, B positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, all this you might have heard actually. These are all the divisions of a blood group only. And this I have taught you in detail in biology. And similarly like that, we also have a different sort of blood group which is actually D positive. That is only present in only scientists who actually work in NASA, ISRO and all similar situations like that in Russia, Muscat and all those places. Actually, why do you want...
Master, I really don't want to know about it only now.
All the four are here. Wait. All the four, wait. Yes, I'm telling. All the four should listen to me.
Okay.
I heard everything. You people are just wasting your time.
Not like
Do you think even now you're small children?
But, we...
Don't tell me anything. Even if you don't a government job, can't you start some business? Every job has got its own importance. Do you think you guys can survive only with the government job?
No, uncle. Nothing like that.
Then what do you think? Guys, do something. Don't waste your time like this. You should not be a burden to your parents. You're all grown-up boys. Let me tell you.
Nowadays, girls are also going for jobs, sir.
Is that so? You don't belong to that category also.
Don't laugh, you dogs. That is because I don't have a mustache.
If you're ready to listen, I will tell you one thing. I have a small property belonging to me. If all the four are ready to work hard, you guys can do some agriculture. You can get some help from the government and the banks too. What? Can't you think about that? You need not pay me anything for that.
At least a job that can match our education.
Why do you think always negatively? Anyway, it's just my suggestion, okay? Whenever four of you have a get-together, just think seriously what I've told you about now. I'm leaving.
Yeah, okay.
Why don't you open your mouth and tell me something?
Yes, I'll think about it.
Fine, that's better.
Faithless dog he is. God will surely punish him. Don't know to whom I have to go and say this. He is not like as before, sir. He is asking money for the milk. If we give money only, he will give the milk, it seems.
Master, there is no way out.
Oh, so your situation is very bad. Actually, How's your cow business going
With
on?
a great difficulty, I bought a cow. Ultimately, it died.
That's so sad. I can't help you financially as of now. How can I help you then? Okay, you do one thing. The cow you see there which belongs to me, he'll be useful. You take it to your house.
Okay.
I'm sure your problem will be solved. Don't worry.
But still.
I'm telling you, buddy, you take him with you.
Okay, master.
Look, sir.
What else can I do for helping him?
Please listen to me. That is only the thing we are having.
His situation is worse than us. Poor guy. That's the reason I